Want to learn how to download and sign up for Holla app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. The initial process of creating an account on a Holla app is having the app itself. For that, go to your App Store or Play Store, just like me, and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here Holla and search for this particular app. You can see that I have already installed it. If you haven't done it yet, you can tap on install option on the top right corner. The option that you'll get if you haven't downloaded it yet, you can see that I've already done it. So I do have an option of open. If you do have an option of install, try tapping on install and download this app simultaneously. After that, you can go to your Holla app just like this. Now you have an option of creating an account with Google or even connecting with Facebook. And I want to get sign up with Google, so I'm going to tap on login with Google or connect with Facebook. You can choose off your own. I'm going to choose one of the Google account favorable for me from my own phone. You can also do the same. So after choosing it, now you have an option of choosing your gender. I'm going to choose female. You can see that if you're sure to select your gender as female, you can change it after confirming. Tap on confirm if you confirm about it, or either you can modify it. Tap on name and keep your name, the first and the last one. Tap on age, choose your birth year, your birth date, and then your birth month. You can see that you have to be 18 years or older to use Holla. If you are, tap on done and then tap on next on the bottom. You need to upload a photo with your clear face so that you will get a better match experience and more exposure. Tap on this profile icon on the top and you can take a picture at the moment or even choose a photo from the gallery. I'm gonna choose one of the photo from the gallery. You could do of your own. So after selecting a picture, I'm gonna tap on the stick option in the top right corner. After this, tap on start Holla on the bottom. So you can see that it's a video chat, so it's impossible to chat with friends without access to camera. Tap on allow access for a camera and you need to turn on your mic so that people can hear you. Tap on allow on the bottom, and even you need to allow locations so that you can make friends nearby. Tap on allow. So just by doing it, you can see that you have successfully created an account on Holla. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.